Hey guys, Jess Star here with the Star team at LPT Realty, standing inside our gorgeous new listing. This one is 20 Sanford Ridge in East Granby, Connecticut. This beautiful, meticulously maintained home is exuding the pride of ownership here. You're gonna love this property and just fall in love the moment you walk in these doors. Sun-filled with soaring ceilings. This beautiful property has 3 bedrooms, a first floor primary suite with great walk-in closet. It's got an ensuite bath with soaking tub. Nice open floor plan here. I love this property. It's been all updated. As you can see, this great dining space open to this remodeled kitchen with GE appliances that are all the cafe appliances, all updated in 2021. It's got a first floor laundry as well. Great fenced in backyard. So nice. You've got all those little furry loved ones with you too. Look at this kitchen. Isn't this beautiful? With all the arabesque tile back there, granite countertops. It is just absolutely beautiful. You're gonna fall in love. Soaring ceilings, vaulted ceilings here in the living room. The master here is just absolutely lovely. Spacious enough for a king-size bed. Look at all the sun that pours in here. You're not gonna wanna miss this property. They've even got finished space in the lower level as well, if you'd like to add some additional living space. 2 bedrooms on the second floor, along with additional full bath up there too. Another half bath downstairs, 2-car attached garage. In this complex, you've got so many wonderful features too. They take care of the grass, the snow, you name it. There's great walking trails. You're right next to the trail that leads between the schools too. And it's so convenient and tucked away, yet you're close to Bradley International Airport. Really convenient to I-91 if you need to get up to Springfield or Hartford, and tucked away, super convenient. So if you want more details on this property, you better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.